Welcome to Wednesdays with the Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about a new addition to the Cub Cadet Ultima ZT series family. This is the ZT160. Previously the 54-inch deck was the largest model you can get into the ZT1 family, so you had to move up to the ZT2 in order to get a 60-inch deck. So where this really fits nicely, it's a good value in a 60-inch deck. You still get all the same performance characteristics of the ZT1 series, so you're still getting a great machine. But if you have a little flatter terrain where you don't need the heavier hydros in the ZT2, this could be a good fit for you. Gives you a great value and still something that's going to hold up and do a good job. So it's really a matter of Cub Cadet ZT has a lot of different models. This could be a great fit, great price point. But stop on in and talk to our sales team, and they'll let you know if the ZT1 would be a good option for your needs. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.